Hello everyone! Today we will be learning how to pronounce the short E sound. The short E sound is a relatively relaxed vowel sound. The middle of the tongue rounds slightly upward and the sides of the tongue may lightly touch the top and bottom side teeth. The lips and jaw are loose and relaxed. Listen and repeat. Wet, wet, wet. Lead, lead, lead. 10, 10, 10, 10. Hen, 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 hen. Bag, 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 bag. Now let's do the tongue twister. Wet, lead, let, wed, wet, lead, wed. Again. Wet, lead, let, wed, wet, lead, wed. 10 wet hens beg Jed. Set wet pets on the wet red deck. Again. 10 wet hens beg Jed. Set wet pets on the wet red deck. Thank you for watching my video.